Hello and welcome to the second tutorial of the AML Bitcoin Wallet 2020. We're currently in our phase 3 beta testing, and today we want to show you how virtual mining works. Virtual mining allows our users to be part of mining without a need to keep their wallets up and running 24/7. To start mining, a user needs to obtain a virtual mining key, which is called VMK. You go to mining. You enter your virtual mining key that you will acquire from us in this beta testing. Then you will go and activate. You get a little green pop-up. It will tell you that actually this VMK was activated. And then you go to stake AML Bitcoin. Here you can put in 25%, 50%, 100%, or just any number you want. Let's take it 10. We go and stake, and then we have to wait a little bit because right now mine status is pending. This will actually take a couple seconds before it actually goes to active. So let's wait here a little bit. The interesting part about mining is, to increase the chances become a miner for next block, a user may put more coins on stake. The more coins a user has on stake, the more chance he'll mine the next block. Stake coins can't be used or sent to another user. When a user needs to spend the ABTC which he has on stake, he or she needs to stop mining, and the stake balance will be returned to the wallet balance he or she is right now using. As you can see, mine status is still pending. This, like I said, will take just a couple seconds. We can also use this time to just go over the AML Bitcoin Wallet 2020 again, in case you have not seen it yet, because this is a very interesting technology. We actually, in our first tutorial, we showed you how to create your very own compliant asset within just 30 seconds. So it's definitely worth checking out. You can also find this on YouTube as well as on Twitter. Let's go back to mining. And as you can see here, miner status is now on. That means right now we are staking. The staking process actually starts after roughly 3 minutes, and there are two versions of the VMK, the virtual mining key. One is available for 6 months, the other for 12 months. And once you go to history, you can also see when the mining started, and obviously if I would now press stop mining, it will also show me when the mining stopped. If you go to ABC balances, you can also see how many coins you've already staked. In this case, it is 10. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you in the next one.